Welcome to this important information on safety management approaches. Effective safety management is crucial for organizations to ensure the well-being of their employees, prevent injuries, and reduce costs. By the end of this video, you will be able to understand different approaches to safety management, including traditional safety management system, SMS, and integrated safety management system, ISMS. Identify the differences between reactive, proactive, and predictive safety practices. Learn from practical examples of safety approaches and their applications. Engage with the content through 4 quizzes that evaluate your understanding and knowledge check. Reactive safety is all about responding to incidents, accidents, and issues after they occur. It's the traditional approach that focuses on personal protective equipment and following safety protocols. But it's time to take safety to the next level. Here's what reactive safety entails: reporting accidents to document the details, investigating incidents to understand the root causes, identifying trends to recognize patterns and prevent recurrence. When accidents happen, reactive safety kicks in to minimize the damage. This approach has saved lives and reduced injuries, but it has its limits. It's like putting out fires after they've started, rather than preventing them from sparking in the first place. In 1910, the U.S. Bureau of Mines pioneered safety practices that still inspire us today. They identified hazards, assessed risks, and took control. A game-changer that revolutionized safety management. Now, organizations prioritize safety and well-being, protecting their greatest asset, their people. A safety management system, or SMS, is a proactive approach that systematically identifies and controls hazards. This approach is crucial for organizations with medium to high-risk tasks, as it allows them to anticipate and mitigate potential dangers. So, what does an SMS involve? Inspect regularly to uncover hidden hazards. Audit safety protocols to ensure they're on point. Train continuously to keep employees safety savvy. Encourage near-miss reporting to learn from close calls. Supervise actively to ensure compliance and safety excellence. By adopting an SMS, organizations can reduce injuries, improve compliance, and enhance their reputation. But that's not all. We must remember, proactive approach prevents incidents before they happen. Quiz 1 of 4. What is the traditional approach to safety management? Options: A. Proactive. B. Reactive. C. Comprehensive. D. Integrated. Quiz 2 of 4. What does SMS stand for? Options: A. Safety Management System. B. Security Management System. C. Safety Maintenance System. D. System Management Solution. Integrated Safety Management System, ISMS, is a comprehensive approach to safety management that surpasses traditional safety protocols. It's a holistic system that covers and considers all aspects of the workplace, leaving no stone unturned to evaluate risks. Integrates health and environmental aspects, ensuring a safe and sustainable work environment. Aligns with other management systems such as quality management, promoting excellence and continuous improvement. Environmental management, minimizing waste and reducing footprint. Energy management, optimizing resource allocation. Policy development. A clear safety policy is the cornerstone of ISMS. It sets the tone for the organization's commitment to safety and defines responsibilities and accountabilities. In the electrical utility industry, a safety policy might include protocols for lockout/tagout, safe isolation and earthing, and emergency response planning procedures. For example, a DISCO safety policy states, "No operating condition or urgency of service can ever justify endangering the life of anyone," and mandates employees to follow PTW, safe isolation and earthing procedures, wear personal protective equipment, PPE, and use appropriate tools when working on or near electrical power systems. Training programs. Effective training is vital to ensure employees understand and can implement safety procedures. ISMS training programs should be tailored to specific job tasks and hazards. In the electrical industry, training might include courses on electrical safety, first aid, and rescue techniques. Continuous improvement is a core component of ISMS. It involves regularly reviewing and updating safety procedures to ensure they remain effective and relevant. In the electrical industry, continuous improvement might involve implementing new technologies or procedures to reduce risks. For example, a power plant might implement a new safety procedure for handling hazardous materials after conducting a thorough risk assessment. Stakeholder engagement. Stakeholder engagement is critical to ensure that all parties understand and support safety protocols. ISMS involves communicating safety information to employees, contractors, and other stakeholders. In the electrical industry, stakeholder engagement might involve conducting regular safety meetings with contractors and employees, or providing safety awareness training to customers on electrical safety best practices, such as maintaining a safe distance from electrical transmission or distribution lines or equipment. Risk assessment. Risk assessment is a systematic process to identify, evaluate, and prioritize hazards. In the electrical industry, risk assessments might identify hazards such as electrical shock, arc flash, or fire. A hazardous register must be maintained, categorizing all risks from medium to high level. Performance monitoring. Performance monitoring is essential to ensure that safety procedures are effective and implemented correctly. ISMS involves tracking key performance indicators, KPIs, such as incident rates, near misses, and safety audits. In the electrical industry, performance monitoring might involve tracking electrical incident rates, conducting regular safety audits, and reviewing incident reports to identify areas for improvement. Systematic integration. In the electrical industry, systematic integration might involve developing a comprehensive safety policy that aligns with industry standards, conducting regular safety audits to identify areas for improvement, implementing safety procedures for electrical operation and maintenance works. For example, an electrical utility company integrates safety into its work planning process by requiring employees to conduct a safety risk assessment before starting work on a high-voltage transmission line. Work planning and execution. In the electrical industry, work planning and execution might involve developing detailed work plans that include safety protocols and procedures, conducting pre-job safety briefings with employees and contractors, ensuring that all workers have the necessary training and equipment to perform tasks safely. For example, an electrical contractor might develop a work plan for an electrical construction project that includes safety procedures for working at heights and in confined spaces. Quiz 3 of 4. Which approach is the most comprehensive? Options. A. Traditional safety management. B. Safety Management System, SMS. C. Integrated Safety Management System, ISMS. D. Hazard Management System. Quiz 4 of 4. What is the benefit of adopting an Integrated Safety Management System, ISMS? Options. A. Improved compliance only. B. Reduced costs only. C. Enhanced reputation and improved safety performance. D. Increased injuries and incidents. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel for more video, tutorials, tips, and tricks.